Actually, nung talagang after ng championship namin, we just celebrated talaga. Kasi syempre sobrang tuwa namin. We can't believe na nakuha namin 16-0 runs itong season na to. So, we're very grateful and talaga yung team namin, we try to remind them to stay grounded talaga sa lahat ng nangyayari and be grateful sa lahat ng nangyayari. And of course, sinabi namin right after ng championship, this is the start of the next season. This is the beginning of the next season. So, hindi dapat kami tumitigil. So, ayun, yun lang yung sinasabi namin talaga right after championship.
Angel, before nga yung next season, ayun, nalabas na rin yung pool for the Asian Games
Yes,
ng national team. Your thoughts lang being included in this?
Well, of course, I'm very grateful and sobrang blessed ako na paglabas ng lineup, I was part of it. But of course, we're still in the process of it. So hopefully, lahat ng mga mangyari when it comes to the Asian Games, hopefully mag-inline bawat isa. And hopefully, mas maging supportive tayo sa bawat isa.
Angel, second time mo rin ma-receive tong award.
Yes.
Focus ko lang yung journey nga ng career mo na from being one of the best young stars ngayon. You're an influence na din and inspiration din sa napakadami. From the award this year din to so many volleyball players.
Actually, nagulat talaga ako na nakuha ko yung award na to kasi, of course, parang my goal was just to get the championship. So, right after the championship, syempre, in-enjoy namin yung pagiging champion. And ngayon, parang nung lumabas yung email sa akin, parang nagulat ako, wow, I'm very honored na nadala yung pangalan ko dito and na-represent ko yung LaSalle with Coach Ramil. But at the same time, it comes with a responsibility. So, of course, kung ano man meron na natatanggap ko, it's with God's grace. And sana ma-share ko with a lot of people by showcasing my talent, kung saan man pwedeng ipakita yung talent ko. And of course, sa lahat na siguro na na-inspired sa laro namin, sa laro ko, sa LaSalle, siguro yung one thing lang na meron kami ng LaSalle is yung discipline and how we respect each other and how we also being coachable sa lahat-lahat na nangyayari. So siguro is yun yung mga lessons talaga na gusto ko i-share sa mga na-inspire sa amin.
And Angel, lastly, ano na lang maging itsura ng next few months? Apart from national team duty, yung preparation lang din ng LaSalle to win it again next season.
Syempre, of course, off-season ngayon, we started our training na. And syempre, of course, pag off-season talaga, medyo mahirap yung training namin. So, start kami ulit from the basic, start kami ulit kung anong pwede namin improve from the last season and kung anong pang pwedeng madagdag individually na talent and kung ano pang pwede namin gawin na mas maging strong pa yung or mas mag-gel pa yung connection namin sa bawat isa. Thank you po!